Hello students. Now previous lecture we have seen uh, electrophilic substitution reaction. You know that so many electrophilic substitution reactions. First one is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and halogenation. Halogenation is the example of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now last lecture we have also seen the sulfonation reaction. What happens when in the sulfonation reaction? When chlorobenzene is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid and formation of 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay. When if we carried out the reaction in between haloarine and concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and chlorine, CH3Cl and CH3COL, we got two types of the product. First one is the ortho product and second one is the para directed product. Students, now today we are going to discuss the last reaction of this topic. The name of reaction is Fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. Okay, what happens when in the Fittings reaction? In Fitting reaction, you know that it is a structure of chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene is treated with the sodium two molecules of the chlorobenzenes are reacted with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Okay, how many chlorine atom? 2. How many sodium atoms? 2. Removal of NaCl and formation of the new compound. That compound is called it is a diphenyl. It is a diphenyl. Okay. When chlorobenzenes, two molecules of chlorobenzenes are treated with the two atoms of the sodium reacted in presence of the dry ether in formation of the diphenyl plus twice NaCl. This reaction is called as a Fitting reaction. Here examination asks the question, how will you prepare diphenyl? How will you prepare diphenyl from the chlorobenzene? Chlorobenzene, and another name of the compound is phenyl chloride. What is the answer of this question? When two molecules of the chlorobenzenes are treated with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether and formation of the corresponding diphenyl. In your examination asks the another type of the question, what happens when chlorobenzene is treated with the sodium metal? What happens when chlorobenzene is treated with the sodium metal? What is the answer of this question? When chlorobenzenes are reacted with sodium metal or treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether and formation of the corresponding diphenyl. In your examination ask the another type of the question, how will you convert chlorobenzene into diphenyl? The same answer of this question. Students, keeping in the mind this reaction, Fitting reaction, you know that another reactions, Woods reaction. Student, this reaction we have seen in the previous lecture or last lecture. Woods reaction, this reaction we have seen in the halogen derivative of alkane. How will you prepare alkane from the alkyl halide? When alkyl halides are treated with the sodium metal and conversion of the alkane. Students, this reaction you have seen in the last standard, 11th standard. The name of the topic is the alkane. What happens when in this reaction? When CH3 Br replaced by Cl, Cl replaced by I, CH3Br treated with the sodium metal Br CH3. When methyl bromide is treated with the sodium metal, if you take 2 moles of the Na, removal of the NaBr, okay, two molecules of the methyl bromide treated with the two atoms of the Na in presence of dry ether, okay, to get CH3 single bond CH3 plus twice NaBr plus twice NaBr. In Wood's reaction, by using alkyl halide, conversion of the corresponding alkane. But in case of the fitting reaction, if we take aromatic halides and formation of the diphenyl compound. What is the exact difference in between Wood's reaction and fitting reaction? In Wood's reaction, if we carry out the reaction between the alkyl halide and sodium metal, what happens when in the fitting reaction? If we carry out the reaction in between haloarenes and sodium metal. This is the exact difference between the Wood's and fitting reaction. Students, keeping in mind all these two reactions, it is an important reaction for board or CET, JEE and NEET. Now we are going to discuss the another new reaction. The name of reaction is Wood's fitting reaction. Okay, you know that in case of the Wood's reaction, formation of the higher alkane. In fitting reaction, you know that formation of arenes or aromatic compounds. What happens when in the Wood's fitting reaction? In Wood's fitting reaction, if we carry out the reaction in between, if we take, it is a chlorobenzene is reacted with sodium metal, and we take another molecule of the alkyl halide. Name of the compound is methyl chloride. Okay, students, in this reaction, if we take aromatic halides and aliphatic halides, what happens when in this reaction? How many chlorine atoms in the reactant side? 2. Therefore, we take 2 moles of the Na in presence of dry ether. Under the reflux condition, we get removal of twice NaCl and formation of CH3, okay, and plus twice NaCl. Students, you know that this compound, tell me name of the compound. This is the toluene. The name of compound is a toluene. Another name of the compound is methyl benzene. Students, it is a most important reaction. In your examination, ask the question, how will you prepare toluene from the chlorobenzene? Okay, what is the answer? When chlorobenzene and methyl chlorides both are reacted with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether and formation of the toluene. Students, in this side, if we replace chlorine by Br by I, in this side chlorine replaced by Br, bromine atom and iodine atom. In this case, methyl group is replaced by ethyl, propyl, N-propyl, butyl, pentyl, etc. Okay, keeping in mind these reactions, you know that 3 reactions. First one is a Wood's reaction, second one is a fitting reaction, and third one is a Wood's fitting reaction. Such a type of the product found in the last lecture we have seen the another reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, what happens when chlorobenzene is treated with the methyl chloride? Chlorobenzene is treated with the methyl chloride in presence of the Lewis acid. In this case, formation of 2-methyl chlorobenzene or 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene or 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene. Students, keeping in mind this reaction. Okay. Today topic, last part of the topic we have seen. First, you know that CHCl3. Tell me name of the compound. It is a trichloromethane. Another name of the compound, methylene trichloride. Another name of the compound is a methylene trichloride. We can write another compound, CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2 is nothing but the methylene dichloride or dichloromethane. We can write another compound, CCl4. CCl4 is nothing but it is a carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. It is a carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. Keeping in mind, tell me name of the compound. It is a trichloromethane. It is a trichloromethane. Another name is a trichloromethane. Another name of the compound is chloroform. Chloroform is a common name and also IUPAC name. Trichloromethane is a IUPAC name. Chloroform is used as a solvent in the chemical reactions. Okay. CaCl3, it is a volatile liquid. The boiling point of the CaCl3 is 56 degrees Celsius. It is used as a good solvent. Okay. You solve the homework. You can write down one question for homework. Explain uses and environmental effect of CHCl3, CH2Cl2 and CCl4. Okay. Name of the compound is a methylene dichloride. Students, see carefully and listen carefully. The name of the compound is a methylene dichloride. Methylene means CH2. Another name, dichloromethane. Methylene dichloride is a common name and dichloromethane is a IUPAC name. It is used as a good solvent. It is a carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. Carbon tetrachloride is a common name and tetrachloromethane is a IUPAC name. It is also used as a good solvent. Okay, students, write down one question. Explain uses and environmental effect of this compounds. Okay, students, today will be stop here. Any doubt on halogen derivative of alkane and halogen derivative of arene, you can ask me on mobile and WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much.